Did you know that 90% of people sabotage their own love lives without even realizing it? And science says it all comes down to one critical mistake. Stick around because today we're exposing the number one dating mistake and how to fix it. Dating these days is harder than ever. Ghosting, mixed signals, and endless swiping leave so many people feeling stuck. But what if I told you the biggest problem isn't the dating apps, your looks, or even your personality? It's something much deeper. And the good news? It's totally fixable. According to psychology research from Harvard and Stanford, the number one mistake people make in dating is, drumroll, letting fear control their actions. Fear of rejection, fear of vulnerability, fear of not being good enough. And this fear triggers self-sabotage, pushing people away before they can get hurt. Here's how it plays out. You match with someone great, but instead of being yourself, you overthink every message. You wait for them to text first because you are scared of looking too eager. You convince yourself they are out of your league, so you don't even try. Sounds familiar? Science calls it protection mode, but it actually pushes love away. The solution? Secure attachment. The fix: cultivate a secure attachment style. Studies show that people who feel secure in relationships communicate openly without fear, don't play mind games, attract healthier partners, and the best part, you can train your brain to do this. Step 1. Reframe rejection. Every no gets you closer to the right yes. Step 2. Practice vulnerability. Send that text first. Ask for what you want. Step number 3. Detach outcomes. Focus on connection, not just winning someone over. Dating shouldn't feel like a battlefield. When you drop the fear, you'll be shocked at how much easier and more fun it becomes. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever self-sabotaged in dating? Drop a comment below, and if this helped, hit a like and subscribe for more science-backed dating tips. See you next time and enjoy your dates.